Young John, the wicked producer.
Oh yeah, oh, by winning beat, oh, my love shape your sorrow, oh, I'm a tika, oh, my love la la diko, oh yeah, Joby mommy, oh yeah, Joby daddy, oh yeah, Joby low, my love Joby, oh, by winning beat, oh, my love shape your sorrow, oh, I'm a.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this beautiful jumbo box braid. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as well, and also share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful jumbo box braid. I always love going for jumbo box braid at the end of the day because I just feel that it is easier to do a jumbo box braid than to do a normal regular size box braid. I used 10 packs of Kanekalon hair to achieve this style, and it took about 6 hours to actually achieve this style. It's a very beautiful style. You can have it on for up to 6 weeks. You know, I really love it. When you feel that your root is dirty, you just use cotton wool and a spirit to just clean the root of your scalp and reapply your oil on your scalp, and that's just it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like this video. So now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by applying my olive oil leave-in conditioner. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my castor oil. My hair is a little bit wet right here in this video. Now I'm gonna apply my Indian hemp. I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is very well moisturized. As I applied the leave-in conditioner, it really shrunk my hair. It made my hair a little bit wet, but it's fine because I just want my hair to be very well moisturized. I don't want it to be dry. So right here, I'm going to start creating my parts because I'm going to create all my parts and just secure them before, you know, beginning with the box braid.
Call me daddy, and we go call him baby, oh, I tell him so, hey, show my baby love, let me be.
So right here, as you can see, I sectioned the back into 3 equal parts. Now I'll be using my Eco Styler gel and my beeswax. I think there's this wax I bought from Amazon, but I don't really like it. This is my first time using it and I don't like it at all. So I'll be mixing it. With my Eco Styler gel, and I'll just apply it on the root of my hair and then secure it. That's what I'm going to do all over my hair. I think this way is just going to make it easier for me to, you know, braid my hair. And I advise you to, you know, do a box braid on a very stretched hair. My hair is not really stretched in this video. I applied the leave-in conditioner, so it just made my hair a little bit wet and it kind of shrunk my hair a little bit. So I'll be using this Kanekalon hair. I'll be using the color 1B. I didn't cut the hair into equal half. I just took it out from the pack and I'm just stretching the ends to give it that fishtail look. So right here, I'll take my Dax hair cream and apply on the hair. And then I'll brush it very well. So you guys can see the quantity I'm using. I made out 3 strands from 1 pack of hair. So you guys can see the way I'm putting the strands together. I make sure I separate the strands into 2. And when I separate it into 2, I make sure that one is bigger than one. So right here, you're going to see how I do my braid. I don't do the normal method. I just go backward. I don't know. I just want you to look at it and see the way I put my fingers. I don't just do the normal braid. I prefer to go backwards. That way it will not have too much knots.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's body, baby.
So as you guys can see that one strand is bigger than one strand. And as you guys can see, I'll be going backwards. I'll be doing the braid backwards, not the normal regular method. And like I said earlier on, my hair is not really stretched in this video. It's definitely advisable to make sure that your hair is properly stretched. It's just that I didn't have the time to stretch my hair, so I decided to just go with the flow.
She go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, tell her so, hey, show my baby love, Leo, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, tonight. And I just wanna be the one you like, Money, go power like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go power like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady.
So that's just what I'm gonna keep doing.
Hey. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I'll give you love and affection. I'll give you love and protection. Money, go like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje.
So after doing the braids, I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the ends in the hot water to secure the ends properly. And then I'm gonna trim the hair, and I'm also gonna use the lighter to just take out all the strands that are just coming out from the braids. But you have to be very careful while doing this. So right here, I'm just gonna take my Eco Styler gel and just lay my edges. This is totally optional. Then I'll be using my olive oil mousse, hair mousse, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the braids. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye. I'm still trying to comb this hair right now. You can see it likes to save your 12 pounds, but